Let me show you quickly how to go from the Frankfurt Airport to the city center. As soon as you arrive, you will be in the terminal, you will take the rail or the bus to go to the main terminal, Terminal 1 or Terminal 2. And once you are there, it is very easy. You just have to follow the signs that you are seeing now. We are showing in the screen, Bahnhöfe or train stations. And this goes to the regional train station and to the long distance train. But anyway, you have a short trip to the main city center. Simply follow the signs once you are in the terminal. As you can see now, we are showing there are signs everywhere. You will see green machines or red machines, and it's the same. Any of these machines, you can buy the ticket that goes to the center, to the Hauptbahnhof. That is the main central station. That is the center of the city. The green machine or the red machine, both will take you there. The green machine is the local, and the red one includes the long-distance trains. Once you go through the corridor, following the signs that we showed you, you just simply go to the machines. Then you go down the stairs to take the train. You will take any train that goes to Hauptbahnhof. There are trains that continue their trip, but it doesn't matter because the next station normally will be the Hauptbahnhof when you take the red train. So if you want to go quicker, take the train of the red machine, that is the medium and long distance train, that goes direction Hauptbahnhof, direction Frankfurt main station. The total time of the trip is about 9 to 11, 12 minutes, so almost nothing. So do not take the first class train because it's not necessary. There is enough place to put your luggage, so you don't have any kind of trouble. So I repeat you, the quickest one is the train, the red train, the red machine. There you will buy the ticket, and one of the first stations will be the Frankfurt main central station. When you reach destination, you will be in Hauptbahnhof, the most important train station, in the center of the city already.
Drie te torn das kaartje per stipper are for the nets